Hi, and welcome again to another edition of Market Analysis for today, June 28th. I'm Giovanni Betancourt, analyst, trader, and educator with Vantage Markets. Alrighty then, taking a look at the markets in the NASDAQ, beginning with some analysis, technical analysis fundamentals that says that if on Fridays the market closes on a downbeat, and then on Monday it opens on a downbeat, then most likely you will have a downward week. So a trend to the downside. That's what could probably happen. It's not set in stone, but that is the technical analysis fundamental part. So what we can see in the Nasdaq has been fueled by AI. 15,000 is going to be the support for it, and therefore we'll use this three almost identical candles as our resistance level if it was to recuperate itself and continue north. The other side is further away from being overbought, so that distance could perhaps bring the market somewhere around the 15,200 area. Okay, so being at the moment, I'm looking at the market just to be in entering a consolidation stage, ranging around this 15,100, making the pivot point. As for the S&P goes, uh, so we have basically also the same tenants, which on Friday closed lower and on Monday it closed lower. Yesterday it did recuperate itself. We actually traded into Friday's range, but today we are sort of on a pullback from this. So that pullback 4,400 could be that level again, where we could find support, and then the market could make another attempt to the upside. However, uh, if we do continue to see some pressure onto the market, then we'll see most likely a revisit of this lows of 4,375. As far as for the Dow goes, the Dow Jones 34,000 is that psychological support level for it. I believe it will be reached today. If not violated, broken. If that's the case, then we'll use yesterday's low and Monday's low to continue. 33,800 could be uh, that psychological support level if 34,000 is broken. Then we have crude oil. Crude oil is trending lower. $66 is the that psychological support level for it. If it's breached, if it's violated, broken, then we most likely we want to be take up this low of May 4th, $64 around it. That could be the target of for it if we break 66. Then we have nat gas. Nat gas is also trending lower. So 260 is the initial target for it. And then we have gold, which after making historical highs, 2000, almost 2090, it retraced all the way back down to 1900. 1900 is a psychological support level for it. The RSI is closer to being oversold, so that could hold some water here around 1900, and then take another attempt at breaking that 1930 resistance level that we have here. As far as silver goes, when we saw silver, just really trending lower, on a daily basis, then find that bottom at $22, and then it jumped $1 and change. Now it's just really looking to find more buyers, but I think 2250 will be that level where you'll find it. Then we have copper, which it has really just trending lower. 370 is going to be the initial support level for it, but I'm having 365 as the final target. Then we have Bitcoin that after making such a low back in June 15th of 24,800, it jumped, it rallied back up to 31,400 from where it had pulled back towards the 30,000 level, which will make that as our psychological support, which it has rebounded from there so far today. So let's see if it stays north of 30,000. But if it does happen to fluctuate below that, then we'll use that 29,500 as a probable support level for it. Let's see if that be the case. Then we have the currencies. Currencies, the euro, just trading shy of north of 110, then quickly retracing, south of 108, 500, and then just staying pivoting around 109, 500. So that's where I think is going to continue to be. 109 is going to be that support level, psychological support level for it. That pound, however, is just taking a beating this today. It's trending lower. It's pushing lower. The 126, I think, is going to be that support level for it. And if that's the case, then we will have to see that the dollar index continues to push higher, perhaps revisiting this high of June 23rd of 102.77. And if that's the case, then we'll see a continuation of the downtrend on the currencies and metals. Exactly. But if the dollar index happens to make a U-turn and just tank or just retrace back to 102 level, then we'll see a recuperation in the currencies metals. Okay, that's it for me today. I wish you a fantastic day. See you tomorrow.